Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos in mobile. So the process is very simple. First make sure please subscribe the channel for more related videos. So let's begin the video. First of all you will simply go to Google Chrome. So at the Google you will write Canva. So you will go to the website of Canva. Here you can get easily done the work. So I will show you that you will simply write here YouTube thumbnails. So you will go to the category of YouTube thumbnails. So these are the templates in YouTube Canva, sorry. So from these templates you can change your anything. I will show you, like we will select this one. So here is the thumbnail. You can simply add or remove the pictures from here. You can delete it. You can edit the all of this template in mobile. So we will show you a simple way of editing like this. You can change one of anything in the picture. So you can simply tap on the whole picture and you can change the colors as well. So you'll edit it. This is the simple process of making the YouTube thumbnail on mobile phone. So you can change each and everything in it. You can add or remove these options and make them big and small. So this is the simple process of making the YouTube thumbnail on Canva. So at the top corner there is the save option. After completing your changings in the template, you will simply tap on it, and here is the download option. You will simply tap on download. These are the file formats here. You can PDF print, PDF standard, PNG, JPG file. You can easily save it any of the file you need, and after that you will download it. So our thumbnail is ready. So this is the simple process of making the YouTube thumbnails on mobile. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.